Match problem 6 gives us another case where it would most likely be easier to track the number of subscribers your magazine or newspaper is losing per month. So based off that loss in subscribers, our magazine company, due to its competition losing customers, could construct a function for their marginal decrease in customers. So at what rate are they losing customers? What we want to do is construct the function c of t that's actually telling us after how many months they'll have lost this many customers. So again, we're starting off with the idea of integrating this marginal change function. So we want to integrate negative 600 t to the 1/3 dt. This is again just a power function. So to integrate that, this is a constant factor of negative 600. We'll multiply that times t to the now 4/3, since we add 1 to that exponent, and divide by the exact same amount, plus some constant c. So this will be the same thing as negative 600 t to the 4/3 times 3/4. And still plus that constant c. So we need to figure out 600 times 3 divided by 4 is going to give us 450. So we get negative 450 t to the 4/3 plus c, meaning our function c of t is negative 450 t to the 4/3 plus c, where again these c's don't represent the same thing. This is some constant c and this is the name of that function, so perhaps we should have used a different symbol, a different letter for that constant. Let's maybe replace this with a b or just any other letter so we have those two values straight. So now we have the beginnings of a function that tell us for some time t in months, so after 2 months, 3 months, 12 months, how many customers we expect to have. So what we need to do is figure out this value for b using the other information in the problem to figure out a value for number of customers at some time. In this case, what we're told is there are 64,000 subscribers. So we can take that to mean there are 64,000 subscribers to our magazine exactly when this new magazine comes into publication. So we have the point t equals 0, so at a time of 0 months, when we started tracking information, our number of customers was 64,000. Meaning in place of c of t, we can plug in 64,000, which should be equal to negative 450 times 0 plus b, meaning our value for b is 64,000. So our function for number of customers after time t will be negative 450 t to the 4/3 plus 64,000. What we're interested in is how long will it take until the number of subscribers to the online fashion magazine drops to 46,000. So we don't know how many months. We're given information about the number of customers. So when c is 46,000, we want to solve for t. So the first thing we can do is take 46,000 and then subtract 64,000 from both sides. So we'll take 46,000 minus 64,000 to get negative 18,000. equals negative 450 t to the 4/3. So we'll take our negative 18,000, divide both sides by negative 450, which gives us 40 equals t to the 4/3. So in order to cancel out that 4/3, we'll raise both sides to the 3/4 power. So 40 raised to the 3/4 power will be about 15.9. So about 15.905, whatever. So about t is approximately 15.9. So our answer would be, how long will it take? We would say about 16 months, depending on how maybe we were asked around more specifically. But it'll take approximately 16 months for our number of customers to drop to 46,000.